Hey, good afternoon, everybody. Hey, welcome here today. Hey, look, today we're going to make some black eyed peas today. I'm going to show y'all how I make my black eyed peas. Some little steps that I do. It's very simple. Anybody can do it. You guys probably do it the same way or slightly different. All right, so I'm going to put the camera down and I'm going to start. First, I'm going to dice up my onion and get that going. Be right back with you. All right, I got my cabinet open because the light was kind of bright here, and I didn't want it to interfere with the recording. So I got that cabinet open. So hopefully that glare won't interfere with anything. So how's everybody's day going? I got the pot going a little bit because what I want to do, I'm going to throw this onion in there. I like to kind of saute my onion a little bit, and get things going. So I have my pot going, as you guys will see. I'm also going to throw a little bit of garlic in there with it. Anytime I like to do onions, I like to do a little garlic with it. It's only got like a couple of pieces I'm just going to put in there. Onions are very potent today. So, like I said, I'm going to saute the onions. We're going to hit that with a little bit of onions as well, garlic. I got a little bit of coconut oil, which I like to use. Cut that down a little bit. I may have let that pot got a little too warm. All right, while I'm letting that pot cool down, once again, we're doing some black eyed peas. Got our onions, got our garlic. I'm gonna wash my onions off real quick while that's cooling down. All right, so the black eyed peas are here. I washed those off about 5 times. Then went through them and got the what I call the bad ones, or the ones that didn't make the cut. I got those out of the way. So those are ready to go. All right, that's our onion. Got our garlic up in there. There we go, guys. Let you guys see a little bit what I got going on here. So got the onions in there, a little bit translucent. Then we're gonna do a stock with that too as well, okay? We got our ham hock rinsed and ready to go, sitting in the mesh screen. We're gonna rinse our onions. We got our peas, nice and cleaned up. All right, so let's go ahead and finish this here up. All right, so I'm gonna make a stock with some better than bouillon. So that's what I'm gonna do my chicken stock with. So I'm gonna start off with just a little water. All right, I'm gonna bring you guys back over here. Okay, so as you see, my stock, I'm not making it, um, I'm not making a real heavy stock. It's gonna be like a light little chicken stock. Okay, now that we got the black eyed peas to that, grab my spoon. And we're going to just incorporate it in a little bit. Sorry, guys. All right, guys, the next step on that will be we're going to just kind of let it go, let it boil, let the ham hock do its thing, let the flavors start releasing from that with the flavor that we got in there. And I think in probably about 45 minutes, we'll check it, taste it, see where it's at. But on the other side of that, I would say 2.5 hours to probably where I want it. So I will bring you guys back and we'll catch up a little later and see where we at. All right. All right, guys, we are back. Let's see what we got going. All right, so we can see they are boiled. All right, see those ham hocks, that meat coming off the bone. That means that they are tendering, because eventually that meat will slide up off that bone, or you'll be able to pull it up off that bone. So yeah, things are looking good, guys. Sit you guys down here. All right. As y'all can see, I done went ahead and threw these black eyed peas in the crock pot. So just trying to make sure I don't overcook them or anything. I decided to go this route with them. But they are coming along. Got a ham hock. Nice and tender. You can see how that meat is just falling off of them now. So I'm gonna try to do a still picture here, guys. All right, so I'm gonna do about 1/2 cup of milk. Start. Now I'm not gonna use salt because I'm eating black eyed peas with this here. I try to balance the sodium, and I know with the ham hock, it has a little sodium in it. I'm also doing some oven fried chicken, which is seasoned. So this is gonna be the one thing that's not gonna have salt in it. All right, guys, let's do one and see what we got. All right, I'm only gonna do 2 in there at this time. Now that was a cup of cornmeal, 1.5 cups, 2 eggs. 1 egg, I'm sorry. 3/4 cup of milk on that recipe, 2 teaspoons of sugar. Now I might have to flip this if, you know. See what we got here, guys. Okay. Okay, that's number 1. I'm gonna try to do this a little thinner. Let's take a look at the other side. Looks pretty good. Get you guys a close-up look at those. Now with this here, I like the edges be nice and crispy. All right, we got one more going. The chicken wings soaked in egg, like an egg wash with egg, milk, seasoned. Then I toss it in the bag with some flour, sort of like the old school shake and bake. All right, guys, it's time to review this plate. All right, so we have our fried cornbread that we did on the stove. We got the black-eyed peas. We got that oven fried chicken that we did. Got that nice ham hock showing right there. All right, guys, we're gonna give this a taste. All right, guys, this review. You guys saw the plate. We're gonna taste everything and see how everything tastes. All right, so I'm gonna dig in these black-eyed peas first. I gotta try them. Break me a little piece of that fried cornbread off in there. Man, them ham hocks threw down in these black-eyed peas. And that cornbread was just crisp. And I like to kind of get it in that juice. You know, get a little juice up on there. But listen to this here. That crispy ham. By the way, Happy New Year to everyone. That's awesome. I'm going to try this oven fried chicken. I didn't do a crispy breading on it because it's just a wing. Now, if it had been a leg or something, where I was going to get a nice chunk of meat or something with it on fire, breast, I probably would have, but this is fine. Now guys, I will be getting me some franks, okay? The chicken is seasoned just right. garlic as well. Came right off the bone like it should, right? But the star of the whole entree is the black-eyed peas, fried cornbread, nice ham hock. This is good, guys. And leave your comment if you could have thought that I could have done anything different. On the next video, I'll post, or maybe I'll just post the recipe to the oven fried chicken as well as the cornbread and the black-eyed peas. All of them is just, to be honest, 4 ingredients or less. But the saltiness or the sodium side of the whole meal is going to be the sure. So that's why the cornbread don't have sodium in it. The chicken doesn't have sodium in it. But I did use a ingredient that has a hint. So I didn't actually put salt in there. One of the ingredients I used has a little sodium in there. Garlic, onion powder, black pepper. And that's it. And it's just gonna bounce off of this as well as the cornbread. So look, thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe. You guys subscribe, I can do more videos like this to give me more of a purpose. Once again, Happy New Year to everyone. Thanks for watching. For those who subscribe, thank you very much. Really appreciate it. More videos going forward. You guys have a blessed day.